Hello, guys. Today brings a multifunctional 96 layout wireless keyboard. K4 Micro Rabbit is named as K4 Micro Rabbit. Support TPC, limited Bluetooth 5. 1. 96% layout of wireless links. The design size of 100 pieces is about 376 x 129 x 38 mm. Only 87 pieces of the layout of the size. Packaging style is still low-key, plastic packaging, to avoid wear and tear and keep the interior brand new. The outline and model of the keyboard with all black color and silver characters on the front are sold as the 7 features and color pictures of the keyboard. Contains keyboard white electrical 8-axis L-type, FTIS. B prepare 5 data lines, Freewin system money cap and manual. The keyboard is delicate, with frosted plastic frame, integrated transmission shell design, angular, 96 parts of compact chain, retaining the complete keyboard function. The unnecessary editing area was optimized, and some cases fully squeezed space. There were only 87 cases on the whole, and the layout size was practical and convenient. The color differentiation of different construction areas also makes it easier to use. Half-naked porridge and 4 ultra-narrow borders create a fresh and thin texture. Except for the iconic YC red shoulder cap, the brand logo has not been found all over the body. The back design is simple, the whole plastic base, 4 anti-skid adhesive strips and 2-stage supporting feet are very nice. Area F of the keyboard is next to the main building area. The 96 column features multimedia, temperature window and light combination keys. The keyboard adopts a gradually separated design. The TPC of the L-type on the left side is inside, but it is relatively broad, and its versatility is not affected.